What's going on, guys? Sino here. I just wanted to do an unboxing on the new Joy-Cons and the charging grip for the Switch. And as you can see, this is the Joy-Con charging grip. So you just slide them in here and it charges. Let's get into the unboxing. That's the charging cord to charge it. Here is the Joy-Con grip. This thing looks pretty nice. It's like clear too. So basically what you slide the Joy-Cons in here and it plugs in on the top and you can charge it. So that is pretty cool. Now we're gonna unbox the Joy-Cons. These are purple and yellow. All right, so actually this feels pretty good other than the other Joy-Cons we have right here. These are pretty beat up. There's like scuffs right there. And this one has a lot of stick drift. They both have stick drift. So this one these are really brand new. These feel really nice and premium. So these are going to be our new Joy-Cons on our Switch. These are just going to be like backup in case you want to play with other people. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the Joy-Cons and the grip. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys later. Peace.